Along my years of experience, I have worked with a lot of programming languages and frameworks like PHP, Laravel, C++, C Sharp, JavaScript, React, and of course TypeScript. You name it. So, are you stuck in tutorial hell? Do you want to code instead of just checking in knowledge from videos? Do you find it hard to finish the design of a website or to start coding it? Do you think it's difficult to find the right assets like images, fonts, and stuff to use to start designing your website? So, I specifically created this channel to address these issues and help with that. All the projects in this channel will be provided with a Figma design file for the project that we'll be working on and all the assets you need to follow along. So buckle up and pick up any project you feel like doing from this channel and let's get coding and see you in a minute.